Welcome back to Auto Inside. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a truck that brings classic American charm into the modern era. This is a fully reimagined machine inspired by the iconic post-war Chevy, but upgraded with new engineering and comfort while staying true to its heritage. Settle in as we explore everything from the exterior craftsmanship to the interior design, performance and price. The first thing you notice is the silhouette. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 keeps the timeless rounded fenders and proud upright stance that made the original so memorable. The front grille carries a retro horizontal bar structure with a polished metallic finish that glows under sunlight. The round headlights mimic the classic appearance but now house advanced LED technology that provides bright and crisp illumination while preserving the vintage look. Along the sides you get smooth steel body panels shaped with precision to honor the old-school curves. The tailgate features embossed Chevrolet lettering just like the original era trucks, and the rear lamps use modern lighting tucked into a traditional design. The truck rides on retro-inspired wheels with a modern alloy build, giving it a balance of nostalgia and durability. Every detail from the door handles to the badging is crafted to feel vintage while performing like a modern vehicle. Inside, the experience becomes even more interesting. Chevrolet designed the cabin to feel like stepping back in time, but without losing any modern convenience. The dashboard uses a metal-style finish that resembles classic trucks but integrates digital gauges that blend seamlessly into the retro layout. The steering wheel looks vintage with a thin rim design and a classic center hub, though it carries hidden controls for audio and driver functions. The seats are wrapped in premium leather stitched in a classic cross pattern, and the cushioning is engineered for long drives unlike the stiff seats of the past. The center console carries a modern infotainment screen cleverly shaped so it does not break the old-school vibe. You get wireless connectivity, climate control, and premium audio, but the arrangement keeps the spirit of the 1950s alive. Even the door panels use retro textures combined with modern soft-touch materials to create a blend of comfort and nostalgia. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 moves into modern territory. It is powered by a turbocharged four-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end torque, giving this small pickup enough power for daily use and weekend cruises. Acceleration is smooth and responsive thanks to a modern transmission that shifts with precision. The suspension has been upgraded to provide a more refined ride while preserving that slightly rugged truck feel. Steering is light and confident, making the truck more user-friendly than the original models ever were. Fuel efficiency is improved significantly compared to classic pickups, making this a practical choice for drivers who want vintage style with present-day reliability. As for price, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is expected to start in the higher range of specialty retro builds. With its mix of handcrafted design and modern engineering, it falls around the premium niche segment. Exact figures may vary depending on trim and customization, but buyers should expect pricing that reflects its status as a modern classic revival. It is not aimed at mass production, but at enthusiasts who want something rare, distinctive, and deeply nostalgic. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup stands as a tribute to American automotive history while delivering the comfort, performance, and technology expected today. It brings together craftsmanship, emotional design, and reliable engineering in one unique package. If you love retro style but still want a truck you can drive every day, this might be one of the most exciting options to hit the market. Thanks for watching Auto Inside. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the vehicles that reshape the road.